when reach home, you know, like when you feel tipsy, but because of what you're gonna do, you feel like you're not tipsy enough. So me start drink again, everybody start drink again. We did it already, why not just, you get me, instead of coming this far and then turning back, or no, so it's gonna happen. I'm afraid to start. It's gonna happen, so we actually make a big step already. That's the last step we make. You get me? So let me say me just start pour whipped cream on my boyfriend and my friend. I'm start pour it on myself and me just start walk around.
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Like the way you keep up with your earnings. It's okay, you be swerving, swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Body love your surface, yeah. I'm alone your body.
What's up guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CECE from, you see me by myself, you know what time it is. You see me? Before me get any further, I want to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Put it on all. You see me? You go over to my channel, subscribe. From me tomorrow me I start drop video, guys. So just stay tuned for that. You see me? Yeah. Remember, watch out the video. Remember for watch the ads. Yes, someone else on see by the title what me I gonna do. What we are gonna do. Cause me and him I gonna pull off that prank here, Nathan, bro. Yeah. So what me and him I gonna do is me I gonna make Nathan come catch me. I do like say yo me I give my head. You see me? Yeah. So just stay tuned for that for see Nathan reaction. I don't know how Nathan react on something. But just want to say if I'm going to lick him brother or do something to him brother or whatever, you know? Yeah. So just stay tuned for that. Watch out the video, watch the ads, guys. I just want to say thank you guys for supporting all our new subscribers. Please remember, put notification bell for us so whenever we drop another video, you will be notified. Comment as much as you can. Comment which part of the video you love. Comment as much as you can. Remember, big up on yourself, and please remember to go over to his channel and subscribe. Also, if you don't want to see more video with me and him, just go over him channel and go subscribe. And me I watch, you know, me I go watch. Me I go up on him channel and sit down and watch. If you know, subscribe, guys. You know, please me I beg you, just go over there, go subscribe. Cause you know everybody I try. I want to know go over to it's Maya 21 to want to go over to our channel, like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you know see a CC and Nathan, and just go over to them two channels, subscribe, help them, guys. You see me? Yeah. So just watch what I go on. I love you, know. I don't know that always. Let's start. So yeah, guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Put it on all. So we are going to start because Nathan can start calling me anytime. I nearly come catch me a while ago, so we have to hurry up and get into this. You see me? Yeah, guys. So what we are going to do is I'm going to sit down on the stone over there, so I want to can see everything clear. So I'm going to make me like turn side here. I'm going to turn the face this so and hold on your head. So if you not come, just be like so you're not seeing. You see me? Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make him draw down him shots. Halfway to when the Nathan come, we start trying to find lock up and make it look real. You see me? Yeah. And I'm going to do so. I'm going to make me speak run down like, yeah, do it for me. Yeah, just stay tuned and watch it. Guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Commenting CC down below. Yeah, bye. No, you have to turn down the notification as you are one, isn't it? Yeah, you have to turn it down. Get Jordan the shot. See, I go put on the slippers so we can use them family. Guys, I am a dead mood. So guys, yes, I'm kneel down front now, so when time I come to the start action, you see me? Diamond. I never seen Nicky Martin look like that, so we don't know what I'm going. So, you should subscribe if you're new. Like this video, guys. I'm gonna get the notification. Drop a like.
Then I do.
Yeah, something.
Kalisha, where you do? Where you do? Where you do a while ago? Yo, what did they start? Yo. Kalisha, where you do? Where you do a while ago? So you fuck him out, look so. Oh, yo. What you do my youth?
Never do not obey.
Yo. Youth, I want you to do yourself a while ago.
She said she broke and she wants some money and me I give her something.
Oh, you broke Kalisha?
Never say me broke.
So you told, yo, Diamond, go on, Mike, go on up, Mike, go on. Go on, my youth, go on up, my youth. Yo, Kalisha, where you get started?
Me never do not obey. Me
What
tell
the
you.
fuck, clap? What me just see?
Ah, see it.
Kalisha, let me just see a while. Kalisha, what me just see a while ago? What me see you do a while
I
ago?
know what you think.
So what me see then? My dad, my youth, me come and my youth, and then so me stay from and me see you fucking, where your head a go so, I want him. Where your head a do, Kalisha? You just walk. You there, mom, yo, my. Youth, where she there, sir?
She said she a give me head.
Kalisha, who the bumbo clock there, sir, do my youth?
Me never give me
Where you run
head
go?
me at all.
Where you run go?
Can you so friggin' lie.
And you tell me about it for a man, you
Kalisha,
know.
me come here, sir, me see you fucking. Me see your head, bad man, me see your head. Where the fuck, why your head a go up and down?
Diamond thought you just shut up so I mean I get the blame for everything.
But me not have nothing to say. Are you introduce me to it? So are you to
So at the
explain
end of the
what
day
go
I'm
on?
left in a batty wall.
Yeah, because are you tell me about it. Me not have nothing to say. Me not have nothing to say. Are you tell me about it?
Beans.
My, you there, so my, suck the man crap why you. Mike, you see you bumbo. Yo,
I'm sorry,
why
me
you? My, me head done in you.
just so because of that
Don't open your mouth to me, my youth. Me a go up and me a go tell my mother we are with you.
Because she had me tablet and she had to tell me for video. Me never say them things they to her yet. Never. And
So
she had
Kalisha,
come
how the
to me
fuck
with
that
it.
come in your mind, my youth? Eh? What you do? What you do?
me just see that try one little stuff.
What you mean you try one little something, my youth? So why you fuck you go? I want the bum my youth. My, me you done youth, that me today, you hear?
Just because of that you
What you
can
mean?
give me one next time.
Chance your bum, chance what? And you suck man with.
No money, your brother.
That make it fucking worse, you. Alicia, fuck you the day so I do you know no camera like right this up. Bumbo.
Forgot. Me the want to go to come work. Me the want to. You see me the. Yeah, guys, so just spam my comment section with Team CC all day, every day, period. Because when you see the boy just get yeah, so just remember, watch the ads, follow up on Instagram at real_CC, no? Yeah. And follow Nathan at Nathan_lavish. Yeah, remember to follow we up, you know, member. Come know about more about our life and such and what's popping from not what's popping and yeah, you know. Yeah. And just comment as much as you can.
Bricks, Switzerland, Shaky man, J-on, Heavy, yo Shady man, Jeep. Money a fi up in a yard, chop lad, chop lad, chop lad. Roll out the beam and a be a top dog, chop lad, gyal a chop, jazz. Money a fi up in a yard, chop lad, be a gyal a chop jazz. Roll out the beam and a be a top dog, be a chop lad, be a gyal a chop jazz. Yeah. Money a fi up in a yard, chop lad, be a gyal a chop jazz. Roll out the beam and a be a top dog, chop lad, be a gyal a chop jazz.
Yo, money if you make no time in a waste. Work hard dog, no time in a wait. Pussy them attack, now we are all the fate. And now we are lucky plate, and now with them don't rate job lad. We are on the street now, never drop guard. All of them attack can't stop me a braff. We are braff and we not have no day off. All of them attack like them feel say we soft. Fully up, fiend. We are like a steam, be a hot girl a steam. Anytime we touching on the street,